Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's really early this morning, and if I'm up early in the morning, it's only for car stuff, because if it's not car stuff, I'd probably still be sleeping till about 10 o'clock. You guys know I work nights, so my sleeping schedule is a lot different than a lot of you guys. But today we're going to be working, or actually I'm not even going to be doing most of the work. I got my friend Jordan coming down today. We're going to be ceramic coating the wheels. As mentioned in a few videos back, I did say that I wanted to get these wheels ceramic coated because these are all black on black wheels, and black is just really hard to maintain, especially if you live in Hawaii, because our roads aren't that good, a lot of road debris, and I kind of want to add a little more protection on the wheels. That's why I'm getting it ceramic coated. Anyways, I got my friend Jordan coming down. If you guys remember him, he was one of the very first island rides that I did. He has a C8 Corvette. I wonder if he's gonna bring the C8 Corvette today. But yeah, he's on his way. I got the wheels all ready for him, all set up to go right here. Also, before we get into doing all the detailing for the wheels today, if you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe. If this is your guys' first time, what's up? I'm Lance. This is my automotive channel. I'm located here in Hawaii. I promise you guys do not want to miss out on the GTR wide body build. Also, if you guys can smash the like button and drop a comment down below, it'll really help push this video out. So please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, bro. Just to explain to everybody what we're doing today.
So today we are coating your rims and probably use graphene coating on top. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taping up this edge just so that we're moving it around, we know scratch nothing.
Let's update everybody on the vet. How's the vet doing?
It's doing good. It's too much fun to drive sometimes.
All right, guys, just letting you know, he's only seen the fronts yet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get his reaction when he sees the rears.
I'm gonna stick my whole arm in it. See what happens. Oh, this thing is massive. Oh, yeah, my whole arm can fit in here. These are nice though. Super deep. I like it. This lip is gonna be fun. Makes me want rims for my vet now.
I know, yeah, you can put JDM wheels on a vet.
Yeah, bro. Cheating.
You know, you should put the Advent wheels.
Advent?
That's the setup I had before.
Oh, yeah?
Super lightweight, and it's a monoblock too. All right, before we get jamming, can you explain the whole process of ceramic coating?
So first we're gonna wash. I'm gonna spray this iron remover, so chemical decontaminant. Then we're gonna wash it down with this rinse-free wash. I use this on the mobiles and smaller jobs like the rims. Then we're gonna inspect it, see if got a polish a little bit, because every once in a while you gotta polish. And we're gonna do IPO wipe, so remove all the oils and the waxes and the polishes, and then we're gonna coat it.
Nice.
Cherry.
Quick update of where we are at right now. We went to Detail Garage, picked up some fresh towels, trying to get everything dried out, checking everything, and then ceramic coat time. Just for everybody to see, we're using the Adams Polish graphene ceramic coating. So what were you saying earlier, just for everybody to know, when you're applying the ceramic coating, you gotta make sure
Just make sure you do even passes, make sure you cover everything. It's good when you're doing wiping it off. You want to make sure that you don't see any like oil slick or high spots, because that'll just stay there and it'll create waves. You don't want to do that. It's actually good to do it in both bright light and then you follow it up with like an ambient light so that you can see all the different parts of it.
Honestly, compared to how it was earlier today, literally any light reflection, it just looks
like white, honestly. Shout out to J-Rock Detailing. You guys better go and follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put his links down below as well. Rubber Slipper Garage, or not even Rubber Slipper Garage, Barefoot Garage. That's how we do it in Hawaii, guys. We work on our cars barefoot. The way that Jar says it, once you see it, honestly, you can't unsee it. So now that my eyes are a little bit more trained on looking at how the wheels were prior, and then when we had it polished, and then now having it ceramic coated, makes a huge difference. And now it just makes me a little bit more of a stickler when it comes to detailing my own stuff. First rear is done already. You can really tell the difference now when you're like just passing over with the microfiber towel. It's way smoother. You don't have like that friction, I guess, or that drag when you're passing over through just wiping the wheels. Look at that. You can like almost see the reflection of the car just right here. Oh wait, where's the tape of the car? Right there. See this blue lining right over here? That's all the tape that's on the GTR. So if you can see reflection in black, I think that's a good sign, honestly.
I don't know why this man don't got 1 million subscribers already. Y'all gotta like this video, subscribe, hit that notification button.
Look at this, guys. Look at that. Now someone's holding the camera. Look how long my hair is getting. Honestly, I'm not gonna cut my hair until the car is done. So
yeah, so
hit the subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button so this guy can cut his hair.
We get this car done.
Look at your lip. Now it looks chrome in some light.
Bruh, I don't think this camera is doing any justice for the wheels. What, these things are super glossy now. Literally on black, it's just reflecting right off there. Super nice job. I really can't wait to put these on now, but we're gonna get these cured, probably let it sit for about 24 hours. Jari said that more time to let it cure, the gloss is just gonna pop even more. So I'm super excited for that. Hit up J-Rock Detailing if you guys want to. I'll put the links down below again. If you guys are in Hawaii, support local, of course. I just like the way that in certain angles it's super dark, and in some other angles it like just pops. Tell me not, guys. Hella aggressive now. Sick.
Alright, I forgot to do an outro again. I swear to God, I thought I did an outro for the end of that day, but I guess I didn't. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys drop a like and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the ceramic coat on the wheels. Do you guys see a difference? I really don't think that the camera did any justice for the wheels, but you can kind of tell it's a lot more glossier now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm literally editing today's video outside in the back of my house. It was like kind of rainy today and the sun is just breaking through. So like it was nice and peaceful, and I was like, I might as well just grab one of my lawn chairs and sit down and edit my video outside, because I normally edit my video inside. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys stick around, follow the build, follow me on Instagram as well, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.